Right, 4.1, Ordinary Emergency Management Committee meeting on the 22nd of May. Councillor Park.
Yes, just through the chair, on page 33 at the top, 4.11, the Emergency Management Committee recommends the appointment of Mr Gareth Robertson as the alternate local recovery manager for the Taupo District. This is a recommendation seeking council approval, so I would ask that if there are no further points of clarification, that when the recommendation is moved, that part 2 be added, that the council approves Emergency Management Committee recommendation EM 201705/25.
Okay, thank you, Councillor Park. Am I okay with that, Shani? Got that? Good. All right, you happy to move those?
I'm very happy to move that.
Thank you, Councillor Park. Seconded by. Thank you, Councillor Hickling. All those in favour, please say aye. Aye. Against? Carried. Turangi Reserves Management Plan Committee meeting on the 12th of June. Page number 35.
Happy to move that, Chief.
Happy to move? Moved by Councillor King, seconded by Councillor Hickling. All those in favour, please say aye. Aye. Against? Carried. Right, so every Turangi-Tongariro community meeting on the community board meeting on the 13th of June.
Likewise, happy to move, Chief.
Yep, 4.3. Now, I had a message from Councillor Cousins that the meeting on the 13th of May, he abstained. Well, that's the 30th of May one, is it? Was that the same day? No.
It's not confidential.
Oh, okay, sure, okay. All right, so we'll do that later. Right, okay, Turangi-Tongariro, moved by Councillor King, seconded by Councillor Hickling. All those in favour, please say aye. Aye. It's against? Carried.